This is how you use the average function in Google Sheets. So let's start with column B. We are trying to find the average from cells B2 to cell B13. So you just go to the very last blank cell over here, double click, equals, and then this should actually automatically pop up, but in the event that it doesn't, this is how you manually do it. So you type in average, first parentheses, and then B2, which is where the data set starts, colon, and then B13 is where the data set ends, close parentheses, enter, and the average of this column right here is 13. A little bit of a shortcut is basically just to put in enter and then enter tab, because as you can see, it pops up, the formula populates by itself. You put in tab, same answer, 13. A cool shortcut is if you want the averages of all of these other 3 columns for projects 2 to 4, what you do is you go to the first cell right here where you've already found the average for project 1. You go to the lower right-hand corner, you click, press down, and then simply drag it across the other 3 columns. And these are your averages for all of your 4 projects.